And this just in, we've just learned that there are 2 members of the Clay County Sheriff's Office and 1 inmate in the Clay County Jail. They have all tested positive for COVID-19. We're told both members worked in the same building. One is a deputy, the other is a civilian. And as far as the inmate, that person was being held in the detention facility. The inmate, we're told, is asymptomatic, and people who have had direct contact with that inmate have been notified they will get tested themselves. The Sheriff's Office says they are working with the health department right now to increase testing for inmates in the jail facility. Safety measures are in place, we're told, and they have been in place for the last several months. Heather?